Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to enable silent alert notifications for Snapchat, so you can stay updated without those loud or distracting sounds. This is perfect if you still want to be alerted to new snaps or messages, but you prefer them to come through quietly. Let's get started. First, take out your phone and open your settings. This is where we'll manage all your app preferences. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps. Go ahead and tap on it. This will bring up a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Next, look for Snapchat in that list and tap on it. This will open Snapchat's app-specific settings. From here, select Notifications. This is where you can control exactly how Snapchat notifies you about activity. Inside Notifications, you'll see an option called Notification Categories. Tap on that. This breaks down the different types of alerts Snapchat sends so you can customize them individually. Under the General section, you'll find Silent Notifications. Tap on it to open the sound and alert settings for silent messages. Finally, select Alert. By choosing this, you'll still get notifications for Snapchat activity, but they'll be delivered silently. You'll see them appear on your screen or in your notification panel without any sound, giving you a more discreet way to stay connected. And that's it. You've now successfully enabled silent alert notifications for Snapchat. From now on, you can check your updates without worrying about loud notification sounds interrupting your day. Whether you're in a meeting, in class, relaxing, or simply prefer a quieter phone experience, this quick setting change can make a big difference. It's an easy way to keep things calm while still staying in the loop with your friends and messages. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to try it out right now and see how much smoother your phone's notifications can be.